guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we're going to be doing an eyeliner tutorial. I promise you this is going to be the easiest tutorial you have ever come across. I thought of this method, I'm not gonna lie, this is my 4th time recording this video because I needed it to be perfect. I needed it to be perfect so y'all could grasp the concepts. Alright, so we're going to be doing this eyeliner tutorial using what I call the connect the dot method. Like, y'all remember connecting the dots from kindergarten? We connect the dots to make a line and then you saw an image. That's how we're going to be getting this eyeliner tutorial. But I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get right into it. Okay? See. So all you'll need for this tutorial is some eyeliner, whatever eyeliner of your choice. Yeah, whatever eyeliner of your choice, and we're gonna get this started. So now that we're all zoomed in, the first dot you're going to place on the outer corner of your eye where you want your liner to stretch to. Be sure to not make your dots too thick because it's gonna kind of be visible, but if you do make that mistake, there's nothing that concealer cannot clean up. So we're gonna pick the first dot and put it right here. Boom. So now the second dot we're gonna put in the outer corner, right on that outer corner of your eye. Boom. The next dot we're gonna put above that but slightly over. Boom. See, that's 3 dots already. 1, 2, 3. So now the next dot we're gonna put in the center of the eye. All right, and then the last dot on your inner corner. That last dot is optional, but so you see the dots. All right, so now the next step, connect the dots. So now we're gonna connect the first dot to the second dot. And don't worry, take your time. Slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to rush your eyeliner because that's when it come out looking crazy. So take your time. First dot to the second dot. Okay. Next, the first dot to that third dot that you made. And then the next step, before you move forward, color it in. I told y'all we're bringing it back to kindergarten. Just color it in. All right, so next you want to connect from this last dot that you made to the center, but you're not going to go along the rim of your eye. You want to kind of like bring it above and connect it. Kind of want to bring it above and connect it across. So once you connect that, you just want to fill it in again. color it in. Boom. Then you're gonna fill it in from there to the inner corner. And voila. Tell me that wasn't easy. We're gonna move on to the next eye. Do it with me. Come on, let's go. Do it with me. So I'm gonna place one dot, two dot, three dot above but slightly over, four, and then five. Next, connect the dots. One to two. One to three. Fill it in. This is my disobedient eye. Oh. Don't worry, you see how we made a mistake? You just clean it up with your concealer, and you could do that when you're done. And then from there inward, bring it in again. Boom. So you see how this eye is not too clean? I'm gonna show you how we gonna clean that up. So using whatever concealer of your choice, you're going to put some concealer on your concealing brush, and you're literally just going to clean it up. Boom. And above. Boom. And boom, you have your eyeliner. Then if it comes out looking not too, a little dip in here, let me show you how. You're going to start from the bottom and just move up in slow, tiny strokes to reconnect that. Boom. And there goes your eyeliner, honey. Tell me that wasn't easy. Let's finish off the look by adding some lashes. And the lashes are on, honey. What do you guys think about this video? I hope you guys found it helpful on how to get your liner. Definitely very, very, very beginner friendly. I've never found an easier tutorial yet. Hope you guys learned something from this. Please let me know if you try out this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you feel about it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
DJ playing, she start smoking, roll it up. She start dancing, that's the song, so turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. We start drinking,